This is going to be a quick tutorial on how to apply your decal that you bought from us. When you get your decal, if it's cold outside, if it's freezing, you're going to want to let it sit in room temperature and let it come up to temp before applying it. The adhesive on the back of decals tend to freeze, which is going to make it harder to apply. Once you get it, just go over it with any kind of flat surface. You're then going to take the clear transfer tape off slowly, making sure the decal adheres to it. If part of the decal does not, just put it back down, rub your flat edge against it again, and peel it on back. Next, you're going to want to make sure your surface is clean and flat. If it's not clean, take soap and water and clean it. This surface is clean, it's flat, it's going to be easy to apply. This is just a little piece of plastic for demonstration purposes. You're going to want to take your decal, line it up wherever you want to stick it. Make sure it's on, get your flat edge, go over it once again. Once that's done, you're going to peel up the transfer tape slowly. Now you see the decal's not sticking right now, so we're going to put it back down. We're just going to go over it again. That's all we're going to go slowly. We're going to pull it back at an angle, just very slow, making sure everything sticks. And once again, if something doesn't stick, no big deal. Put the transfer tape back down, give it a little loving, and continue to peel. You don't want to yank it. If you yank it, you're just going to mess up your decal. See, it's not sticking right there. No problem. We're going to put it back down, give it a little loving, and it's going to stick. Don't get in a rush. If you get in a rush, you're going to mess it up. And just like that, we have applied the decal. Now it's going to stay on there probably 5 to 6 years. As long as you take care of it. Obviously, if it's going to be in the sun, it's going to start cracking in a couple of years. But for the most part, it's going to last for a long time. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Feel free to ask. Thanks.